Hey everybody, Chase from TSP Smart Spaces here. We just received our first AVA Remote. We've been pretty excited to get our hands on this. And right away, it is heavy, which is a good thing. A lot of people come out with these universal remotes. They can be a little flimsy, but this in particular is seems nice. This is a Google certified remote. So it is an Android based physical remote that you can see here that will be functioning as AV control, audio control, has a built-in microphone, built-in internal speakers for any intercom apps you may have, and any apps like Spotify, using Spotify Connect. From the remote itself. It's in the shape of a remote, imagining you'd be keeping it close to a couch or next to the TV. Comes with a base station. They say it has up to 6 days of charge life, and this thing is hefty. Very nice, sleek design for your USB-C, and whew, look at that. The AVA Remote.